smack it in the air. Clap, 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 clap it. Put up, my foot up. Hold up, now my foot up. I'm spinning, my foot up, yeah, my foot up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel, and if this is your first time on this channel, hey, thank you for clicking on this video. We do lifestyle, beauty, fashion content. So if that's anything that you're into, don't forget to go watch my other videos, because I have hair dyeing videos. I have some nursing content in there because I'm a nurse. But this video is gonna be a vlog. I'm going on vacation in a couple of days actually. I'm so excited. I'm going to Tulum. It's gonna be my first time in Mexico, y'all. I'm excited but scared. I know there's a whole bunch of stuff going in Mexico right now, but got the blood. We are covered by the blood. We're gonna be fine. But I'm gonna get my nails done, and I wanted to take y'all with me. So I wanted to do a little vacation prep video so y'all can see my prep. Today I'm getting my nails done. These are what we're working with right now. I'm gonna get that gold chrome nail set. I know that you guys have seen all over the internet. I'm torn between getting them square or almond. They're gonna have to be short, but what do y'all think? Square or almond? I mean, I guess we'll see when I come back and I show you my nails, but let's go get these nails done.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go by 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they saying it's before they mention my name.
Y'all, I was gonna vote like these. Y'all didn't think that I could vote like these. Said I told y'all I was gonna vote like these. Turn around and I make it jump. Ladies, wanna keep that boy and make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it jump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these?
664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him, partner, don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me, please, all your personal info. I ain't thinking about love, I just wanna get it up, pop a bottle, talk a lot of bullish, and let's go.
Y'all, I was gonna vote like these. Y'all didn't think that I could vote like these. Said I told y'all I was gonna vote like these. Turn around and I make it jump. Ladies, wanna keep that boy and make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it jump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these?
Tonight ain't feeling no. To my girls that's looking their best, won't you go and show it off for us? Ladies, go throw your hands up. And if he's all in your head, just forget all the things that he said. Credit is yours, do whatever you want to.
Yo, hear these words out my mouth now. Tell you how it's going down. Kelly, EVE, we coming through and got them bowing down. Ladies, can you feel it?
All right, y'all, so I'm back from my nail appointment, and I'm so sorry I look so crazy. I am so tired. Trust me, I'm gonna look put together by my birthday, but I'm gonna need to get some sleep. You see these bags? It's disrespectful. But let me show y'all the nails. These are it. Get into it. Let me show y'all a close-up. She killed my nails. I'm gonna leave the clips of the nails, of her doing the nails, and I'm gonna add her Instagram page so y'all can go follow her. And if y'all want her to do your nails, y'all, she did an amazing job. It looks exactly like how I wanted it to look like. Let me show y'all.
That boy that make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hit like this?
See body, oh. Egg band, yo.
Talk about vibe.
Hey y'all, so I am back. Y'all, please excuse the way I look. I have been beat up. But by my job. I've worked the last 3 nights straight, and I've had an appointment after every single work shift. So I would come off of work at 7 a.m. and go either straight to an appointment or sleep for like an hour or 2 and then go straight to an appointment. Hence these bags, but don't worry, I'm gonna get right by tomorrow because that's my flight. Hopefully I get rest on that flight or I get rest tonight, I don't know, but I have a lot of stuff to do. So far I have gotten my nails done. These are them. So cute. I love them. They're giving birthday. And then I've gotten my lashes done. Like, I already look like that girl with these lashes on. Love them. I went to my girl. These are a cat eye look. And I think the biggest length she used is 20 inches, but I'm not sure.
I get the bounce for you, you want they do like say night I know the end. You do this, they do like say your waist know the end. You know the and then you follow my command, baby do like I do, baby front and back, to me boom back up.